Balu the elephant and the big sneeze. In a big forest full of tall trees, chirping birds, and playful animals, there lived a young elephant named Balu. Balu was kind, friendly, and always ready to help. But he had one tiny problem. He had a very big sneeze. Every time Balu sneezed, the ground would shake, leaves would fall, and birds would fly away in a hurry. The monkeys would jump in fear, the rabbits would hide in bushes, even the lion would say, Balu, that sneeze is louder than thunder. Everyone laughed, but Balu didn't. He felt a little sad. One evening, Balu sat near a quiet pond. I don't like my sneeze, he said softly. It scares everyone. A small turtle slowly walked up to him. Balu, the turtle said, sometimes what feels like a problem can become something special. Balu didn't understand, but he nodded. The next morning, Balu made a decision. From today, I will go far away whenever I sneeze so that no one gets scared. So every time he felt a sneeze coming, he would run far away, sneeze, and then quietly come back. The animals noticed, Balu's being careful, said the deer. One hot afternoon, something scary happened. A fire started in the forest. The dry leaves began to burn. Smoke filled the air. Animals started running everywhere. Help! Help! Cried the birds. What do we do? Shouted the rabbits. The fire was spreading fast and everyone were afraid. The monkey climbed a tree and looked around. Where is Balu? We need him. Far away near a river, Balu was just about to sneeze. Suddenly, he heard the cries, and also the monkey came running to Balu. Balu, come into the forest. We need your help. Balu fell. Oh no, my friends need me. He ran as fast as he could. Balu reached the forest. The fire was getting bigger, and just then his nose started to tickle again. Balu tried to stop it, but he couldn't. There he goes. A huge gust of wind blew out from his sneeze. The flames shook, the smoke scattered, and slowly the fire went out. For a moment, everything was quiet. Then, yay! All the animals jumped with joy. Balu saved us! Balu saved us! His sneeze saved the forest. The monkey laughed. Best sneeze ever. The lion smiled proudly. Balu, you're a hero. Balu's eyes sparkled with happiness. Balu smiled and said, I thought my sneeze was a problem, but today it helped everyone. The turtle slowly nodded. See, Balu, every little thing about you is special in its own way. Balu felt proud. From that day on, whenever there was a trouble, the animals would say, Call Balu. And Balu would come running ready to help with his big sneeze. The forest was happy again, full of laughter, friendship, and fun. The moral of the story is sometimes what we think is a weakness can become our greatest strength. Believe in yourself.